You are all smart enough to understand how powerful show-stopping visuals are in grabbing interest online and attracting your target audience. And from personal experience, there's no better tool than Canva to help you create those visuals. Once you have your audience's attention, you'll want to generate new leads by enticing them to exchange their email address with a valuable piece of content, such as an ebook. Fantastic! Now you're growing your email list. The next step is to nurture those new leads by sending them the kind of emails they really want to read. Do this until they know enough about you and they trust you sufficiently to make a purchase from you. I use Mailchimp as my go-to email service provider because it gives me so many resources for free. Now imagine how excited I was to learn a few weeks ago that Mailchimp and Canva had put their heads together and have come up with a truly streamlined way to upload visuals direct from Canva to Mailchimp templates. It couldn't time.